In this brief tutorial, we're going to show you how easy it is to go into the RedCloud appliance and do an identity search and maybe destroy a batch of identities all in one click of a mouse. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my appliance, and we're going to click on identities. All too often maybe you did an import of a group of identities that you didn't really want to keep, or maybe there's a group of identities, in my case, that are inactive, and I just want to get those inactive identities out of the system. I want to destroy them in bulk. So if I went in here and did just a simple wildcard character search, you can see I sort of have a mix of active identities with inactive identities. Two active ones in there are myself and the system administrator, and the rest are all inactive. So what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and do an ID status search, and I'm only going to look for the inactive badges, and I'm going to search those out. So now the list only shows my inactive badges. But how do I destroy them in bulk, instead of going in one at a time and taking them out? So first I have to give myself that ability. That's not given by default because we don't want people to accidentally delete a group of people in one batch by accident. So I'm going to click on Super Admin under Delegations in the Roles section, and I'm going to give myself the permission to do a batch destroy under Identities. So I'm going to move that over there and save it. Now that I've given myself that permission, I'm going to go back to Identities, and I'm going to do that same search again. I'm going to search my ID status. I'm going to look for those badges that are inactive, and I'm going to hit search. Notice this button showed up here, destroy batch. So now I've narrowed down my search criteria. I've got all my inactive badges up there, and I want to destroy them in bulk. So I'm going to hit the destroy batch. It's going to say, are you sure you want to do this? I'm absolutely sure. And so now if I do that same wildcard character search again, you notice the two active badges that I have in my system are the only badges that show up. I don't have any inactive badges. And that's how easy it is to do a batch destroy in a RedCloud appliance.